The model TM808 from White's Electronics is a deep-seeking treasure hunting machine designed for discovering larger targets or caches of smaller items. It's ideal for both industrial and hobby users. The design and techniques for using the TM808 are quite different from the typical sweep-style loop detector. We'll demonstrate the proper methods of using your TM808, and by the end of this presentation, you'll be able to take full advantage of this high-performance machine. Let's start by looking over the TM808 features and controls. The TM808's distinctive look is a result of the central control box with opposing loops at either end. The front loop on the horizontal, the rear on the vertical. The control box is where you'll find the threshold, signal balance, and ground balance controls, and automatic threshold switch. For headphone operation, there's an audio output jack. The control box also contains the battery compartment and is held with the ergonomic handle at the end of which is a reset button. We will examine each of the controls in a moment, but first let's go over the simple process of assembling your TM808. The threshold control turns the TM808 on and off and adjusts the volume of the background hum, or as it's commonly called, the threshold. Turning the threshold control clockwise, the power is turned on. Upon power up, there's an automatic battery check displayed on the meter. For the TM808 to operate properly, the battery test must indicate in the upper yellow highlighted area of the meter. In average temperatures, new batteries will provide approximately 12 hours of continuous use. In cold climates, battery life will be reduced. The threshold control must be adjusted for a slight background sound or threshold that is heard continuously during searching. A setting in the normal area will usually be appropriate. Generally, the lower the threshold can be set while still hearing a slight hum, the better. The threshold may fade over changing ground, indicating the push button on the handle needs to be squeezed and released, which will return or reset the threshold hum. This resetting may be needed at regular intervals unless automatic threshold is on auto, which automatically maintains threshold. We'll discuss the push button and auto functions in a moment. The signal balance control adjusts the receive signal of the detector. The normal position works well for most searching situations. This setting will provide more than adequate performance with little interference from